High school music students showcased their talents to fifth graders across the district this week as they prepare for middle school registration. Band, orchestra, and choir members performed different pieces and songs as they explained the three music options that future sixth graders can choose from. Go Bears!
Today in our science class at Mariner Middle School, we learned the basics of how to use a compass. During a hands-on activity, we worked in groups to navigate around the atrium, following directions to decode a message. Go Bears!
Today, North Star 5th graders finalized our arcade games. We used the engineer model to create our projects. We started by brainstorming in groups, drafting a design, building the game, and then testing the model before making final adjustments. We had so much fun playing each other's games and opening an arcade for other grade levels to enjoy. Go Bears!